Today's critter does not want to be left alone. He loves you. He wants to be around you all the time. His name is...
Dylan.
Dylan. And he's really a lover. But he has separation anxiety, is that right?
You know, I don't know if he has separation anxiety or he's just got a lot on his mind. Might be both, actually. He is 5 years old. He's a lab mix. He was surrendered to the shelter a few weeks ago by a guy who just didn't have the resources to take care of him any longer. Really sad situation. And you can tell he's kind of missing his person. You know, he's in the shelter. It's loud right now. We got a lot of dogs. And he's one of those dogs that when left alone, he's noisy, but it doesn't necessarily seem like he's really got a lot of anxiety going on. It just kind of seems like he's noisy. And one of the things I've always said is a bored dog is a loud dog, and I think that's what we have here. I think a tired Dylan is going to be a quiet Dylan.
A cozy couch Dylan, maybe?
So he is, a lot of people are going to say, well, he's 5 years old. Well, let me tell you, he is active. He's ready to go, go, go. He loves to play ball. He walks great on a leash. He seems to like other dogs. I think what he would love more than anything is just a home with a nice big backyard or a nice farm property. Somebody who's active but not a marathon runner that wants to go to the park and play and hang out and then power nap on the couch. Right, Dylan?
That sounds good to me.
Right.
Well, he's one of those dogs who instantly warms up to you. He meets every person as a new friend, and he's a leaner.
He is. He's a leaner, and he loves to have his behind scratched, and he twirls in circles, takes cookies really gently. He sits for a cookie. He'll shake for a cookie. He's got very pretty eyes, kind of very soulful eyes, and he just wants to please. That's the thing about a lab. He wants to do what you want him to do. He wants to go where you want to go, and he wants to tell you all about it at the same time.
What would make you happy? I just want to make you happy.
I think he'd just be a great family dog. I think he'd be a good dog for an active retired person or couple. He's really kind of one of those dogs where if you just want a dog to hang with, this is your dog. And he's one of many, many, many we have right now at the shelter. You do have
a long list on both dogs and cats.
Yeah, we haven't been this full in the shelter in a very long time. We've got a lot for people to choose from. But I can't say enough good things about this guy. He does seem to have maybe a little bit of a flea allergy or a food allergy. He had a bath yesterday. I would feed him a higher quality diet, no corn, no wheat, and then maybe none of that over-the-counter flea stuff. You want to get the good stuff from your vet.
Yeah. Okay, we are getting colder outside.
Yeah.
It was below freezing last night. Some people leave their dogs outside. How does that work? What do you need to know?
It's tough times. Winter comes, and this is the time where we get the calls with the animals left outside, whether it's the dogs, the cats, the livestock with no shelter, no water. It's too cold, folks. You got to bring those animals inside if you can. They need extra water. If they are outdoor animals, they need access to a dry, draft-free shelter. So they need something that can get them out of the elements, and it's the wind and the sleet that's really going to be the worst for them. They need extra water. I, for example, went out this morning. My chicken's water had frozen.
Yeah.
So you got to watch that water. That's really critical to your animals. But just bring them inside if you can. It's just too darn cold. Dylan is here to tell you it's too cold. They want to come inside. And again, if for some reason they can't, make sure they have access to dry, draft-free shelter, extra bedding, extra padding for them to stay warm, retain their body heat. And if you see an animal in need in Whatcom County, call us and we can help.
Okay. Dylan would just prefer to sleep in your bed.
He would.
Dylan, come here. Come on. Hi. What's the matter?
He says, I won't take up too much room, but if you could, I'd like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, please.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The Cloud, he hears that's really nice. Yeah.
Okay. The eye comfort's not good enough.
Well, I mean, he would deal with that if he had to.
He had to.
Yeah.
Oh, look. He wants to come live with you. You can meet Dylan at the Whatcom Humane Society. You can check him out online. He's got his own page at whatcomhumane.org. He is just one of many dogs who does. So as Laura says, you've got a lot of choices right now.
Right. Exactly, Dylan. Thank you.
Pick me. He says, pick me. All right. Laura Clark from the Whatcom Humane Society. Thank you so much.
Have a great week.